Hi there, welcome to my another simple tutorial on Instagram. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels without Watermark. It's so easy and fast. After logging into Instagram, open the Reel. And from here select the Reel that you want to download. After selecting, click on Share icon. And simply copy this Reel link. And then open your browser and search by Instagram Video Downloader. Now find out 𝐷𝐢𝐝 link and enter into it. And then paste the link here. After pasting the link, it will automatically create a download button to download the video. And then click on Download Video. After that your video will be downloaded in your file directory. Click on Open File here, and you can view your video. Reel that doesn't have any watermark on it. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.